guys, Mike here with you from msonehundred.com. Trader Mike at msonehundred.com. I said I wasn't going to do a movie, but I don't know, I love the stock market. Want to get one out for you guys. So right now I'm going to do a quick movie on the SPY, daily chart, the 60-minute chart, and why I took a trade in the ERY today. So let's get going. Here's what I'm looking at on the daily chart of the SPY. Notice I don't have that downtrend line from March drawn in today because I just didn't draw it in yet. But I was watching the 930 level again. I told you guys I was going to take a short in the market if we did reach that 930 in the S&P or 93 on the SPY. And sure enough, we reached 93. What did we reach? Sorry, we reached 93.23 as the high in the SPY today. And we closed at 92.33. So that if you held all day, that would have been a nice. If you got somewhere around there, you would have been a nice 70 cents on that short on the SPY. Or if you took a futures trade, that would have been almost 10 points there in the futures, which would be like $500. So notice we watched a 930 level today for a possible bounce. We opened up below this 20 period moving average, and as I thought, we were probably just going to sit around here the next 2 days with low volume and just squeeze in between this 20 period moving average here and the 50 right here. Possibly have a slight rollover on the top coming. The volume today was decreasing as to be expected into this holiday weekend. Probably even have less volume coming in tomorrow. So I might do a movie tomorrow. I know I said I wasn't gonna, but I might do one anyways just because I love the stock market so much and I love trading it. But otherwise, I'm pretty much gonna not want to hold too much long into this long weekend. Don't know what the news is going to be on Monday or what's going to come out Sunday night. So that's basically what I'm doing there. Let's take a look at the 60-minute chart. Let me show you one thing that we did watch around the 92.80 level on the S&P. Now looking at the 60-minute chart here, you can draw in a trend line right around here as an area of support and resistance. Right here acted as resistance on Monday. Today it acted as support. Notice how this candle right here touched it. We bounced off of it. We touched it again. And then once we finally did break through this level right here, came selling down. Now right now we're sitting on the, what are we sitting on? We're sitting on the 200 period moving average on the 60-minute chart. So we could get a possible bounce tomorrow morning. And with the stochastics like this, if we get a nice bounce in the market, could be nice move to the upside, possibly test 930 again. We are looking at a possible divergence right here on the stochastics and the MACD histogram of it, as I did a movie last night, I believe, on the divergence trade right here. So this might be a nice divergence setup coming. Get a nice bounce up to around the 930 area tomorrow and short into that again. Let me bring up the ERY and show you where we entered the trade. We're still holding it right now. Right now in the after hours, the ERY is at 22.18. We picked it up at 22.67. Sorry about that on the Twitter alerts. I don't know why Twitter was working, but why it wasn't working today for me, but I had a little delay problem. Alright, here we are in the ERY. Notice how we had this triangular pattern setting up, possible bull flag pattern also. Here's the shaft. Here's the flag. Now we pulled back right here, 50% back into this pattern, which lined up with the 20 period moving average. Now sometimes on these patterns I do notice if you do pull back into that 50% area on this pattern where they do line up with another area of possible support, you're going to break that way to the upside. So notice how we did take the long right around here at 21.67. We came back down, tested the top line on that pattern, and after that it was just gradual buying the rest of the day. I am holding this position into the tomorrow. I'm going to see what's happening. Maybe another light sell-off in the oil market. So maybe we'll get that, make some more profit. Maybe we won't. I do like what is setting up on this daily chart here. Let me see if I actually have the chart all set up for you. Look at this possible pattern. Here's the shaft. Sorry about that long line. And here's the consolidation. So right now on this, I'm looking for some more consolidation. Let me see if I can make that a little bigger for you. I am looking for some more consolidation on this pattern right here, and I am looking for it to possibly break above this 50 period moving average on the chart. I got all these lines in here. Let's see if I can delete them all for you. So I do like how this is setting up, especially how some of the stochastics here, the 14.33 did pull back, possible turn up again, push it right through there. Other than that, guys, have a good day. Hope to speak to you tomorrow.